Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to the Backrooms. Wait, make the Among Us song. Make the Among Us sing.
Guys, he's coming to the roof.
What?
Run back! Run back!
Run!
Back! He's right there. He's right there. He's right there.
Oh my gosh, I see him. He's in the wall. He's in the wall. Dude, no! No!
I didn't do nothing.
No!
Open the door!
No, the door is closed.
Please, please.
Go, go, go! Okay, you guys ready? Come on.
Run,
Bro, we're stuck here.
run.
Ah! Ah! Go, 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 go.
Let's go then.
Hey!
Don't worry, guys.
Bro, the bucket, I want to buy this bucket.
I already bought it.
Okay, no! That's my bucket.
You need
Okay, I'm trying to. Oh my! How did I not notice that? Is he behind us? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh. Oh shoot, we gotta go. Okay. Oh!
made it?
Oh my gosh, give me the bucket, give me the bucket. No! Why do you get the bucket?
Take the bucket. Take it.
Oh my gosh, thank goodness, thank goodness.
Look,
Let's
wait,
go!
Hold up.
Wait, what happens if I throw the bucket in there?
Yo, Platinum!
No!
Can I get Platinum? No, Platinum. I got a question for you. You're gonna add new levels, aren't you? I know.
Come on.
I can go.
Oh, you got the bucket, let's go!
The bucket.
Yeah. What is in this room? Bro, how long does this go up? Is this still? Oh, what? Oh my gosh, I got legged. Run.
Run.
Who cares about the run? We don't care. We're going up. We're going up. Okay.
Oh, no.
Okay, we gotta run. Never mind.
Wait, epic bucket. Huh? Yeah, I don't feel like going back there.
Guys, where are we going?
Oh, no.
Oh! Oh! Run. Run. Run.
Who is that?
Exit, 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 exit. The end. Good ending after going on an adventure. The Backrooms. You've gone further and finally have freedom forever. No one around yourself knows what happened to the others and the few. Yeah, well, remembers. We did it.